to master the moves dance cardio, I'm going to walk you through some easy to follow moves that you're gonna see over and over in our classes. This will introduce you to our style so that you're ready to jump into your DanceBody classes. First, let's start with a jumping jack. You're gonna stay super light on your feet. Your abs are in tight. Remember to roll toe ball heel all the way through. Let's just start. You're gonna see this in about 4 different ways. So nice and easy, just to start that out to the side. Then we're gonna add in a simple arm, just a little star jack right at the top. From here, let's try an explosion jack. So we're gonna go all the way up to the top. Those feet are just a simple metronome at the bottom. Let's try a throw. That move comes from your back all the way forward. And now we're gonna spice it up a little bit for our 4-point jack. Up, up, out, out, up, up, out, out, up, up, out, out. Woo. Okay, moving right along, we're gonna go into a twisty. One leg is gonna go toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, left, toe, heel, toe, heel. We're gonna add a little bounce. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, and toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Let's try our dancer jig. So same idea, but we're gonna go heel, heel, cross back toe, and heel. Heel, heel, cross back toe. 2 more times. Heel, heel, toe, heel, 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 toe. Try the left. Heel, heel, toe, heel, 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 toe, heel. Just getting that footwork. And now we add our bounce. We go heel, heel, toe, heel, 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 toe, heel. 2 more. Right there. Other side. We have front, side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back, front, side, back. We're gonna do 4 punches to the right, 4 punches to the left. Your arm is gonna go high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Add that little bounce, add that little bounce. Sometimes we travel a little more than other times, but the move is always the same, and you're keeping that little bounce on that standing leg. 2, 1, 4. We're gonna go into a push away. So this is an oppositional move. So you're gonna take that right leg out, pressing away with that left hand and bringing it together. Same thing on that other side. Just as if you were walking down the street, you wouldn't walk same arm as leg, right leg, left arm, push it away, push it away, push it away. Let's try it a little faster. Right there, side to side with that little bounce, right and left, right and left, right and left, right and left. We're gonna go into a little press back. So we're getting a little bit more footwork in this one. You're gonna step right, kick your butt, left, kick your butt, right, kick your butt. Now let's add your arms. Down, push to the top, down, push to the top. Now, a little bit quicker, up, 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 good, nice and light. Sticking with our side to side idea. I want you to take that right arm, you're gonna step with your right leg. Step, we're gonna do an inner thigh tap. Step, inner thigh, step, inner thigh, step, inner thigh. Little bit quicker, right there, side to side. So now we're using the same arm in the same direction as we're moving. Right there. Keep doing this, except you're gonna throw to the front. Step, throw, step, throw, step, throw, step, and pick it up. Throw, 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 throw. Our next move is our 4 back. So same feet, right together, left together, right together, left together. Now I want you to think about squeezing a pencil in between your shoulder blades as your arms extend. Right together, left together, right together, left. Cutesies, one of my favorites. We are going to hop side to side. So you're tapping, same arm as leg, tap right, tap left. You should be a little playful with it. Find some fun at the top. Ready, side to side we go, and right, left, right, left. All the way through, reaching up through that top arm, tapping that toe. Give me 4 more. Okay, now you always want to position for your arms, so don't let them flail around. We're really gonna stick them out to the side on this one. So you have front, front, together, front, back, front, together. Sometimes you'll see 4, sometimes you'll see 8, but you always want to end together on that last one to transfer to your other side. Let's try it. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, feet together. Ba, 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 ba. Our next move is gonna incorporate your abs a little bit. So same arm as leg, you're gonna take that leg out to the side, right elbow pulls into that right knee, squeeze and up, squeeze and up. Now, we're doing a cardio move, so add that little bit of a jump together, jump together, jump together. So we can stay here, or we can add a kick on your second. 1 and a kick, knee and a kick, knee and a kick. Pulling down left side, knee, knee. You wanna get that toe at the top, knee toe, pulling all the way. First, just a nice skip side to side. We're gonna go right, left, right, left. You're just kind of having fun, going side to side, bouncing around. Now take it to a run. Kick your butt all the way out. We're running 4, 3. Now we're gonna go to your heels. We have heel, 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 just side to side. Keep it there. Okay, now I want you to do 2 and 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Back to our skips. Now double your run. We have 2, 2, 2, 2. Nice and light on those feet. We're gonna go to your heels. Heel, double heel, double heel, double heel. Right there, nice and light. Single, single, double is our last one. That means you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2 singles, 1 double. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Ready to put it all together? We're gonna do it with our 3 moves. Ready? 6, 7, we go. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Keep it light. Right there, abs in tight. Now we run, kick your butt. Single, single. I like to add a little arm because why not? We're right here. Now on your heels, we're gonna go. Single, single, let's take it up. Single, single, up. Single, single, up. Single, single, up. Next, we're gonna move into our ponies. So you're gonna go a little bit side to side on this move. Really just watch my feet. Let's go through it together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, step, toe, step, step, toe, step, little hop side to side, step, toe, step, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. It's disco time. Your feet are gonna go up, up, down, down, up, down, down. So it's tricky, I get it. You're gonna lead with your back leg. So whatever direction you're facing, this is gonna be your back leg. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Keep going. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Switch it. Let's try the other side. We go. Up, down, down, up, down, down. This is your left. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now I'm gonna make you play with your arms just a little. Swing it back over there. We're gonna try 2 different arms. We're gonna do and up, and in, up, and in. Go to the left, and up, down, down, up, down, down, back to the right. Lasso time, up, down, down. One more right here, up, down, down, up, down, down. You're gonna rise up on your toes. Your knees are gonna go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay, now we have our dance cardio moves down.